What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?
What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I'm bringing you guys a stitch braid video, but also kind of just like a life update because I haven't talked to y'all since last year. You feel me? I'm different, but also this year so far, these past 4 days have just been so ghetto for me. So we need to literally kiki and talk about it. I am going to be giving you guys some stitch braid tips. So if you guys are here for that, you'll get a little bit of that too. But I need to vent, y'all. I need to really get it out. So I have to get it out for y'all. Let's start off by saying I'm different. Okay, I'm gonna be vlogging this year because I know y'all are like, what can we expect for 2022? I am gonna be vlogging a little bit more because, like, why not? It's just fun, and y'all have been asking me literally for years, so we're gonna throw a little bit of that in the mix on my other channel, Dope Ass Life. I'm still gonna be doing Pana and the Dopelets with y'all favorite people ever. We gonna really get it together and stick to it this year. And then on this channel, I'm gonna incorporate like just a couple more fun videos, obviously more lives because that's what y'all want to see, and we're gonna bring some poppin' tutorials back for y'all. Okay, I will get back to y'all with the tutorials. So just really quickly with the braids, I pre-parted out one side at a time. So I basically parted my client's hair down the middle, and then I parted out 3 braids on each side. I'm gonna be doing a total of 6 stitch braids, and y'all, these braids turned out looking good. So make sure you guys like just really watch what I do in this video. I let my client part out her own edges because she does have like, she has edges, but like her edges are a little bit thin, and so she knows how to really work her edges and give the illusion that, like, you know, it's popping and it's giving everything that it's supposed to give. So I have no problem with my clients giving me recommendations, or, you know, y'all know how Bobby is. Like, my clients damn near will take the comb, but my client is actually also a braider too, so yeah, this my girl. She gonna slay my hair in a minute. She don't know yet, but I'm about to book an appointment. But anyway, do as I say and not as I do, y'all. Okay, make sure you pre-part out the whole entire head and like stand in front of your client, look at your sections, all of that. Like, make sure your shit is good before you start braiding, because I swear I always do straight back stitch braids and they do turn out bomb, but I always see areas where my parts could have been better, and that's something that I'm going to be focusing on for 2022. So like I said, do as I say and not as I do. And I'm sounding like y'all parent, because yeah, I stay like, if you want to be perfect and like really have perfection, then yeah. All right, so I know y'all like, what product are you using? For her, I'm using Lock and Twist gel, and I'll make sure that I link it in the description section. For her edges, we're going to be using obviously the Dope collection. I was out of stock for a minute, but I am back in stock, baby, and I have my own website now, www.dopeaxxpana.com. I know y'all are like, what the fuck took so long? Okay, so I'm the type of person, y'all, where I literally think like, I'm a freaking graphic designer, I'm a logo maker, I'm a YouTuber, a blogger. I'm like, I be thinking I can do everything. So I thought it would be a bright idea to design my own website. And baby, next time, no ma'am, I will definitely be hiring somebody. But it is kind of cool because I really learned the ins and outs of doing it, and I built my own website, and it's finally up. You know, it took a couple extra months, but you feel me, I did my thing. So all of my products, literally the braid product band, my edge control, and now my own braiding hair, which I use in this video, can be purchased online. Right now for my edge control, I only have in stock the bigger size. So I literally have a 10-ounce size now. Before, the ones that I was selling was 5.3 ounces. So this is like double the size. I only have those in stock right now. Remember I told y'all the past 4 days has been ghetto? Yeah, I thought I made an order and I didn't. And so it's still in the works. And yeah, just buy the big size, okay? I'm selling them for $20. And trust me, it is super worth it. If you haven't tried my edge control by now, you're disrespectful. You're disrespectful at this point. I'll make sure that I leave the link in the description section for you down below, because if I get another comment about what edge control I use, we're gonna have to tussle, because I'm tired of telling y'all the Dope collection, okay? Now, moving right along, the braiding hair. Right now, I only have 1B in stock, which I know y'all are like, bitch, my hair is a 2. My hair is a 4. My hair is a 30. Listen, it's coming, okay? It's really, really coming, y'all. I put a lot of like just time, energy, and effort into my brand, and it's coming together slowly, but it's really hard, y'all. Like, I'm just gonna let that sit right there. Like, I'm doing it damn near on my own. Like, I have my assistant China, but this whole like other business aspect, like, you know, I'm really trying the best I can. So other colors will definitely be in stock. I will be eventually offering 1, 2, 4, 30, 27, 613, and 350. Okay, we're gonna start right there. Now, don't ask me no more questions about what other colors until I roll those out. Okay, then we can talk about it. All right. Back to these braids really quickly, because I know I got some new people in this video. Like, what is this? What is she talking about? Okay, so for my stitch braid method, I feel like the number one question I get is like, why are you stitching on one side only? And I'm not, guys. I don't know if you can tell, like, you probably can't, but when I do my stitch braids, I take the comb all the way through. For me, it has just been something that has helped me really get my stitches consistent, and I feel like it's quicker, right? So I basically take my comb and I'm gonna slide it all the way from the right to the left, and then I pick up that hair in that stitch, and it's super easy. So you guys will see me do it right here. I'm sliding it all the way, and then I'm gonna braid all of that hair that I just picked up, and I keep literally doing that all the way down. I kind of like this because I can control the size of my stitches more, and I can just make sure that they line up better. It just personally has worked for me. I just want you guys to keep in mind that anytime you try a new method, like when you try it the first time, obviously it's going to be different. It's going to feel weird, but the more that you do it, the more you will master it. For me, I have been doing this now for probably 5 to 6 months, and so I kind of just like mastered using this technique. A lot of people ask, why don't I just like get a fingernail? Honestly, because that will require me to go to the nail shop and get my nail done, like my one pinky nail. I'm not doing that. And then they're like, well, you can just use like press-ons, but it's like, I don't want no one stupid press-on. I just don't want to do that. I might have to try it for a video because I be seeing braiders do it and it does look more convenient, but it's just like, why would I do that when I could just use my comb, right? So this method is just something that works for me, but obviously there are so many different ways to create stitch braids. There's like stitching tools and all type of cool stuff. If you guys want to see a video, a long time ago on my channel, I did like 7 different ways to start box braids. If y'all want to see something similar for like multiple different ways to do stitch braids, then let me know and I can make that a video for you guys, because literally I have seen it all at this point and I pretty much have tried it all at this point, and this method may not work for you, but maybe one of the other ones will. So anyway, moving right back along to my life update. Where were we? We were talking about products, we were talking about websites. Yeah, if y'all want to know why my life has been ghetto for the past 4 days, then make sure you guys go ahead and follow my vlogging channel, because I will be just talking a lot about it. But this is technically my first upload of the year, so hey y'all, welcome back. I know y'all are tired of this. What you mean? What you mean? I have a remix coming for y'all, okay? Actually, I wouldn't even call it a remix, because my husband was like, you need to just get rid of the beat and do like a whole new thing, because I was just gonna add like a couple, you know, what you mean, like damn near Kendrick Lamar on the beat. But my husband was like, nah, like you just need to come real different. So I had planned to do that in 2022, but like I said, we 4 days in, baby, and I ain't even heard a new beat yet. So it's like, dude, I want to make y'all wait for that. I didn't. But just know, within the next 1 to 11 months, you will definitely be getting a new intro out of me. I know y'all like, bitch, that's a whole new year. Yeah, like, I just don't want to give y'all no certain time, dates, and stamps, because y'all be holding me to it. So, but within the next 1 to 11 months, you'll definitely be getting a new intro out of me. If y'all have any suggestions, y'all can let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, what else? Okay, so for those of y'all who are true DOPEaxxPANA lovers, then y'all will know that I've been going live on TikTok. I'm gonna try to get a little bit more active on there. Like, one of my goals for 2022 is just really to expand and branch outside of YouTube, and I feel like TikTok is pretty much like the next best thing. So I am going to be going live on TikTok. I will be sharing those TikTok lives on my channel. If that's something that you guys want to see, then down below say TikTok lives. Please don't put that. Put something. Just let me know, because I was TikTok lives. That was hella ghetto. But yeah, if you guys want me to share my TikTok lives, I will, because they are not rewatchable, obviously, on TikTok. So I know people like to see them. I pretty much do the same thing. I am a little different on TikTok, because if y'all don't follow me on TikTok, you probably don't know. I have a lot of haters on TikTok. I don't know what they don't like about me, or why they don't like me, or maybe they just feel like they can say whatever they want to say. But I'm clapping back all 2022, and I don't care. And so yeah, I'm going to be sharing my TikTok lives. It's pretty much the same vibe. I use almost the same people. The only thing I like about TikTok lives is that I can literally play whatever music and do whatever I want to do, which when it comes to YouTube, it will be copyrighted, but it's whatever. Like, if y'all want to see it, I'll still share it for you guys. If you don't already follow me on there, my handle is the same, literally DOPEaxxPANA. So make sure you guys follow me on there. And yeah, I'm going to be doing like mini tutorials and stuff on there, but I'm trying to be consistent, y'all, but it's a lot of work. It's really hard. So yeah, I feel like that's pretty much it for my life update. Let me know in the comment section down below what y'all New Year's resolutions are, so I can hold y'all to it, because I need y'all to hold me to mine. All right, so let me list them just so y'all know. Number 1, no squeezings. Do not call me trying to pull up to the salon last minute to get your hair done. No. The answer is no. Number 2, no friends and family discounts. You're going to pay the price. That's what you're going to be paying. Now, if you are a YouTube model, yes, you will get a discount. Other than that, you're going to be paying the price. Number 3, ain't no 3 a.m. salon sessions. You need to come during my booking hours. 9 to 2 a.m. Let me think about what else. I will be staying consistent on TikTok. I will be staying consistent on Instagram and posting more. Y'all, I never post on Instagram. I don't know why. I just feel like I never post on Instagram. I'm going to stay more consistent on Instagram. I'm going to stay more consistent on TikTok. I'm going to do more funny videos. Like, I just feel like I'm kind of funny. Like, I feel like I just want to do, not like funny like me trying to be a comedian, but funny like when your clients show up late and blah, blah, blah. You know, like those type of videos. I had made a couple of those before the year ended, and they were just really fun, because I be thinking this stuff in my head. And yeah. So, yeah. Those are my New Year's resolutions. Y'all got to hold me to it. When y'all see me in the salon after 2 a.m., I need y'all to be like, now, Panda, don't do this. Don't do that. Okay? Or when y'all hear my friends call on the live and try to slide in, Panda, you need to say no. Let me know what y'all New Year's resolutions is, because I be seeing y'all on Instagram, especially on my spam page, and I'm going to hold y'all to it. Whatever y'all New Year's resolutions are, I'm going to try to remember. Now, y'all, for this last braid, I am using 613, and I really should have tucked her hair, y'all, but honestly, I'm not that good at it yet, but that's something that I'm actually going to be working on this new year. If you guys follow Glam by Mary on Instagram, what is it called? What is her Instagram called? It might still be Glam by Mary. I'm gonna check while I'm doing these voiceovers. But if y'all follow her on Instagram, she has a YouTube channel too. I'm not sure if she still posts, but a lot of her braiders in her salon that she created, they like tuck their feet in braids, and I think that is so impressive, and it looks so good. And so that is going to be something that I am going to be, oh yep, it is Glam by Mary. Okay. So that's going to be something that I'm working on this year, because like, I don't know, this blonde and black, like just mix is just giving, I don't know, it's not giving professional for me. So I'm going to be working on tucking my feet in braids completely when I'm using color, or just period. Like, we should be doing that anyway, so they last longer. So that is definitely a goal that I'm going to be tackling in 2022. If y'all don't follow Glam by Mary, then it's called the Braiders Club. You probably have seen her work on Instagram. Like, they just really be killing it. It'd be like 6 to 3 to 2 of them in your head, getting the job done, and it's very much giving everything that it's supposed to be giving. So yeah, anyway, Thanks so much, guys, for tapping into this video. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We're gonna hit 1 million this year. That's actually another goal. We're gonna hit 1 million on this platform this year, and I know you're gonna want to be there when the party happens. You don't want to miss it. So make sure you guys go ahead and click the subscribe button. If you guys want more stitch braid tips, let me know and I'll give it to you guys this year. I'm teaching my first knotless box braid class, so I'm gonna hold off on some knotless videos because like I want to give my class literally everything that I have. But these stitch braids, baby, I'm about to start eating these up this year. If you guys want more stitch braid tips or a stitch braid how-to video or something in depth, let me know and I can make it happen for you guys. Other than that, yeah, I love you guys so much. I'm so happy that we made it to the new year. We survived 2021. It was real ghetto. And we gonna kill this year, y'all. I love you guys so much. Comment down below, stitch game, if y'all are feeling this look. And as always, I will catch you guys in my next video.
What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?